Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May Minta. If you don't know, now you know. So welcome back, my loves. So today I am coming back with another review. During this lockdown, I'm just spending my coins on new products and I ain't going nowhere, but it is what it is. So when we can go back out to the streets, I'm gonna look flawless with all the makeup products that I've tested throughout this whole lockdown situation. But so by the title, you already know that I'm reviewing the Ordinary's concealer. I am super excited because I love their skincare products, but I haven't used their makeup products. I also did buy the foundation as well. So the foundation shade I took is 3.2R. This is how it looks. I have tested it on my face and it's really a very good match. I have no idea how it's gonna perform, but I'm really excited. I don't want to talk so much, so let's just get straight into this video review, but of the concealer, not necessarily the foundation, but I am gonna give my little opinion on the foundation as well. So I've already prepped my face. I just washed it, toner and some moisturizing products, and I also used the niacinamide because I've been dealing with a lot of hyperpigmentation and just some spots and sebum. I can feel my face is congested again. I can't complain about my skin, I know, but I'm still striving for a bit of, you know, not perfection, but you know, close to perfection is always welcome. So yeah, so I've already primed my face with the Makeup Revolution Blur Primer. I'll put all the products in the description below, so let's just get straight into it. I am using the foundation. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. It's very liquidy, but you can see that it's a really great match for me. I love it, so let's just put it to the test. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend it into my skin. This is the first time I am using it on my face because I just swatched it on my hand when I received it. Ooh. Okay guys, this is the finish of the foundation. I really love it. Very skin-like. What I did expect, they said it was like full coverage, but I don't know if it's like full coverage, but I do have to say that it really hides my pigmentation, my hyperpigmentation, just a little bit, like on my cheeks, but you can still see it through though. So I feel like I still need to go with another coat to like hide it completely, but I have to say that the foundation is really skin-like. I love that it doesn't look like I have foundation on my face. But anyways, we're still here for the concealer because I know you guys already know about the foundation, but you want to know about the concealer, so that's what we're going to check now. So this is the concealer outside of the box. Really cute. I'm in the shade 3.1Y, and it's just 8 ml, and it costs £4.90 or pence. I don't really know how to say it here in the UK, but you know what I'm saying. It claims to be very high coverage with a real skin finish, and as well it is in 36 shades, which is a lot, which is really great. And so you have lighter tones, medium tones, dark and deep tones, and then you also have number 4 like for deeper skin tones, if you know what I mean. So for 36 shades, I just guessed my shade and I think it should be correct. So what it says that you need to apply to imperfections, blemishes, or on the under eye area, and they say blend using your fingertips or a brush. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna swatch this on the back of my hand and see how I feel for my under area type of finish. This is the applicator, so basically you really have to remove it from the packaging. It's not something that you can just put, it's not just something you can just rub under your eye like most concealers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand again. Ooh, I'm not sure if this shade is gonna be right, but I'm gonna try it. And this is how it looks. Just like this. Usually my under eye concealer colors look like this, so I have a feeling it would be fine. It feels really thick. It's much thicker than the foundation, but that's the case with most concealers anyway. So I'm just gonna put it under my eye. Ooh, it's a bit gray, but still looks cute. I feel like on camera it doesn't look as great, but I usually like a concealer that's more yellow toned. It's still yellow toned, but just there's something missing. I can't explain. I'm going to try and blend it out with my fingers a bit first before I go with a brush, or I'm probably gonna go with a beauty blender. Let's see. Guys, this is very thick. This reminds me of the Makeup Revolution concealer, and wow. I think I put too much on my face. I'm just gonna blend it out right now. No, this is way too thick. So I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. It's really, really thick, but still looks like skin. I can't really explain. It's not really melting into my face yet, so I hope it does when I blend it out. I hope it comes with the finish that I'm looking for. So let's just see. Let me just blend that out really quick. So I have blended out the concealer. I must say I'm not really a big fan of it. My pores just come through the concealer. I don't know if you can see, but let me just come closer. I'm just gonna bring you guys closer. You can clearly see that it's gray. The shade might not be the perfect match for me. My pores come through it. I'm not feeling this concealer at all. I know it needs more blending, but I can already see that it's not really my favorite shade of concealer. I feel like it will become gray after some time. No, it's not really my favorite concealer, and it really didn't do anything for my bags as well. Usually when I use concealer, my bags just disappear, just at least a little bit. It doesn't disappear completely. I know once I put some setting powder on it, it will be a bit much better, but for now I must say that I'm not really the biggest fan of it at all. So I'm just going to use my Sacha Buttercup to set it and see if it becomes a bit better, because for now I'm not feeling this concealer at all. I'm quite disappointed. Let's see. Maybe it is the shade that is really putting me off. It could be the shade, but the finish is not as skin like as they said it was. It looks really cakey on my face, and I've put more concealer on my face than this, so it's not even about the amount I've put on my face. I'm not really happy about it. This is like one of the first products that I've bought that I'm really disappointed with, that I really do not like. The thing is, I might still change my mind later on, but for now it's a no for me. I might use this concealer for like an eyeshadow base, but that's just it. I don't think I can use this concealer again. I don't like the shade. It's making me look gray. My pores were coming through. No honey, it's not for me. I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face quickly. I'm just gonna bronze, contour, and just put some lip gloss on and see how I feel after a few minutes. But my first impression isn't really good. I love the foundation, but the concealer is a no for me. Not skin finish at all, in my opinion, but it is what it is. I'll be right back. I am back. To be really honest, I wore this concealer now for like 4 hours because I started working. But I just want to give you my honest opinion on this concealer. Is it a fail? Not necessarily. Is it something that I really like? Definitely not. I believe this product is a disappointment, unfortunately. There are concealers that are much better than this, and you will get more product. Like the Makeup Revolution concealers, I guess they're also like £5, just like 10p extra. It says that it's full coverage. Yes, the consistency is thick, so you would think it's full coverage. It is somehow, but it doesn't blend well. It doesn't blend nicely on the skin. okay, it's possible that the color match is off for under my eyes, but I still made it work. You could see my pores through the concealer, which I never have. I am not happy with the product. Unfortunately for me, it's a fail. Would I advise you to buy it? Definitely not. A lot of concealers out there that are much better than this one. I feel like The Ordinary was just focused on the ingredients and not necessarily on how the products finishes or really looks on the skin. It says that it's skin-like. Unfortunately, I don't feel that way. I feel like there is concealer on my face and it doesn't really look nice in real life. On camera, it will always look nice because, you know, cameras, they beautify us a bit more, you know what I'm saying? But it's really not worth your coins, guys. The foundation is a really great foundation, to be honest, especially for the price point. But a concealer for me is a no. This is the first product on my channel that I've reviewed and is a no for me, because usually I'm like very excited and I'm still positive about the product, but not really. This is after 4 hours of wearing the concealer. I feel like my camera is not picking up what it looks like in real life. And another thing is, this concealer doesn't really cover up like under my eyes like most concealers do. Of course, it won't cover everything, obviously, but no guys, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. The Ordinary need to fix on the finish instead of the ingredients. I bet the ingredients are good for my skin. I guess I won't have a breakout, yes, but the finished product is a no. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and my honesty, because I don't like talking trash about a product. It's not really nice, especially when I paid for it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.